Space isn't silent. It moves. It stretches and compresses, and sometimes it ripples. These ripples are called gravitational waves, distortions in space itself, caused by some of the most violent events in the universe. When massive objects like black holes collide, they don't just release energy. They send waves through space, waves that travel outward across the universe. By the time they reach Earth, those ripples are incredibly small. So small, they distort space by less than the width of an atom. And yet, we've built instruments sensitive enough to detect them. Observatories like LIGO can measure these tiny changes as gravitational waves pass through our planet. Which means we're not just observing the universe with light anymore. We're detecting motion itself, listening to space as it moves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy exploring the unknown, consider subscribing. I hope to see you in the next one.